Okay, in this question we're given a trigonometric ratio, and the easiest way to visualise this is with a simple right-angled triangle. So if we draw a right-angled triangle, and let's mark one of the angles as the angle given. So here it's 10 degrees, so let's mark that in. And we know that the tangent ratio is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So let's just write that. Alright, so then now we know that this is equal to m, and we can write this m as m over 1. Alright, so let's label the opposite side as m, the adjacent side as 1, and we can use Pythagoras' rule to work out this length here, the missing length. So let's give these some values. Let's say a, b, c, for example. Alright, so then we can say that the length of AB squared, that's the hypotenuse, using Pythagoras' rule is equal to m squared plus 1 squared. So if we want to find the length of this, the length of AB is going to be just the square root of those things. Alright, so let's write this in. This is the square root of m squared plus 1. Notice we can't simplify the addition within the square root. Alright, so now let's think about the calculation we need. We need the sine of 10 multiplied by the cosine of 10. So let's remember the sine ratio. The sine ratio of an angle is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. And for the cosine of an angle, it's the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Good way to remember this is the SOT, CA, TOA. TOA. So just using the first letter here, tan, opposite over adjacent, sine, opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. So a useful acronym to remember. Right, so then let's just substitute these in. The sine of 10 is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, so that's going to be m divided by the square root of m squared plus 1. And we're multiplying this by the cosine of 10, which is the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So 1 over root m squared plus 1. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and so we'll get this equal to m times 1 is m. Multiply, same thing but in the square root, we'll remove the square root and we have m squared plus 1, and that is our result. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in another one.